Do you create things? Do you admire someone's creativity? Do you feel creative? Or do it creatively? That sentence used a verb, a noun, an adjective, and an adverb, all from the same root. Same root, 4 different uses. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 examples to grow your vocabulary fast and improve your understanding when talking and listening. Today we're looking at word families. Words that come from the same root but can act as verbs, nouns, adjectives, and even adverbs. Understanding how they change helps you use English more flexibly and sound more fluent. But before we start, let me give you a quick grammar refresher. Always helps. A verb, an action or a state. Run, think, be, hope. A noun, a person, a place, a thing or an idea. Teacher, city, happiness, love. An adjective, a describing word. Happy, strong, creative. An adverb tells us how, when, where, or how often. Quickly, carefully, beautifully. In English, many words share the same root. They just change their ending or form to do a different job in the sentence. Let's look at 10 examples. Hope. Verb. I hope you enjoy this video. Noun. I have hope for you in the future. Adjective. I am hopeful about my progress. Adverb. She smiled hopefully. Success. Verb. If you try hard, you'll succeed. Noun. Success takes time. Adjective. She's successful. Adverb. He handled the challenge successfully. Create. Verb. Let's create a new project. Noun. That's a brilliant creation. Adjective. You're so creative. Adverb. She thinks creatively. Strength. Verb. Exercise strengthens your body. Noun. Strength is more than muscle. Adjective. He's strong. Adverb. He pushed strongly. Though this one isn't used very often in daily speech, but we do use it. It is an adverb for strong. Beauty. Verb. They beautify the garden. Noun. The beauty of nature is amazing. Adjective. It's beautiful. Adverb. She sings beautifully. So that's the first 5. If you like the first 5 and you've watched it this far, please consider subscribing, hit that like button and leave me a comment down below. Let's continue with the last 5. Decide. Verb. I can't decide. Noun. It was a tough decision. Adjective. Be decisive when you speak. Adverb. He answered decisively. Differ. Verb. Our opinions differ. Noun. There's a big difference. Adjective. We're different people. Adverb. They think differently. Care. Verb. I care about my students. Noun. Care is important in teaching. Adjective. She's a very careful driver. Adverb. She drives carefully. Help. Verb. Can you help me? Noun. Thanks for your help. Adjective. That tip was really helpful. Adverb. He explained it helpfully. Last but not least, number 10, think. Verb. I think it's a great idea. Noun. That's an interesting thought. Adjective. She's very thoughtful. Adverb. She spoke thoughtfully. Here's a tip for you. When you learn a new English word, don't just stop at the verb or the noun. Look for all the forms, the adjective, the adverb as well. That way, you'll understand more and be able to express yourself more naturally and better. So now it's your turn. Can you write 4 sentences using the same root word as a verb, noun, adjective and adverb? Type them into the comments, I'll check them and I'll give you some feedback. So thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. I really appreciate it very much. If this helped you understand English word families, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with a friend. But if you do subscribe, it means you don't miss out on future videos, and currently I am doing 2 videos a week for you. Let me know if there's anything that you want me to make a video about and I will make that video for you. So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in a couple of days. Bye bye.